Dr. Don Marcus, thank you for talking with me today. You are a medical doctor, a professor at the University of Pittsburgh, a pain expert, and you have your own two dogs that you've trained to be therapy dogs. You're also the author of The Power of Wagging Tails, a doctor's guide to dog therapy and healing. Why did you write this book?
Yeah, as you mentioned, I'm a medical doctor and really went through pretty traditional training. But when I began treating patients, it really became clear that to make a big impact in people's lives, you really needed a more holistic approach. So I began looking at a lot of complementary therapies that could really boost the benefit that patients were getting from more and more traditional care. When I heard about dog therapy, I was really quite skeptical and didn't really expect there to be much benefit. But be that as it may, I trained my own two dogs, like this is Toby, who's one of my therapy dogs, to do therapy dog work, and went to the hospital with him to see what the impact would be. And I have to say, I was just blown away when I saw my seemingly ordinary dog connecting with patients in such extraordinary ways. And after spending just a few minutes sitting and petting or snuggling with Toby, you would see people have walls just melt down around them and emotions would come out, or memories would become unleashed that they hadn't talked about in years, or their pain levels would drop, or stress would decrease. And every time, the visit would end with lots of laughter and smiles. And it was amazing for me to see that in just those few minutes, spending that time sitting and snuggling with my dog made such a big impact. And if I had tried to make that kind of connection just by myself, I think it would have taken weeks or months to really achieve that same result that my dog did in just a few minutes.